Hello everyone, so again this is Donna and today I just want to say thank you. Okay guys, so I just want to say thank you for those people who are continuously watching my channel. Thank you so much. So my channel is a personal vlog, so I'm in my channel right now, so it's Donna Zee, and thank you for those people who subscribe to my channel. So currently I already have 306 subscribers. I am just a new vlogger here, so I haven't been vlogging for quite a long time. Whoa. So as you can see, I started my channel last July 22. Last year, it was my son's 14th month. So if you can see here on my playlist, I have several vlogs that I did. It's not just paying apps. So I do get a lot of viewers with earning apps or online jobs. I appreciate you watching that, but pretty much I just want to share my experiences with you, so it won't always be paying apps or online jobs, yeah? So there's my playlist. So if you're keen on those paying apps, earning money, extra income and stuff like that, I put that in my 2 cents. It's right there. And if you're into skincare, that's also there. Story time, and also Take My Money is mostly unboxing or things that I buy. Sorry, I'm a girly girl kind of girl, so yeah, I do those as well. So this channel, again, is a personal vlog, so it doesn't have a niche. So pretty much, I just want to do this vlog to thank everyone who have supported me. Give me a second here, let's go to home. So I have a few vlogs that I did. How many vlogs have I done already? Let me check, okay? If I'm not mistaken, it's around 50 already. Yeah. So, I want to take this time because, guys, we're still in quarantine. We're going crazy here. So I just want to take this time to thank all of you for your support, yeah? And, I am dabbling on other paying apps. It's just that it takes some time because I want to be able to show you my cash out on those paying apps. And since I just recently downloaded them, I don't have it yet. Yeah, but soon I will share them all with you guys. And for those people who are new to my channel, welcome. And yeah. So I didn't have anything prepared today. I was supposed to show you this interactive story that I just downloaded from Play Store, but it's a bit boring, so I didn't push through that. But what I want to show you is, hold on, is the games that, paying games. Not sure yet if it's really paying games that I am currently dabbling on. So like what I told you, I really want to cash out for myself before I introduce this game to you. But let me just show you. This is the vlog that I did last week. It's golden time. So hold on, let me go to that app. Okay guys, this is the vlog that I did 2 weeks ago. So as you can see, I'm already at $9.80. I am not actively playing this app, but it has given me a lot of coins. As you can see, I'm at 3 million coins worth and $9.80. The cash out here is actually $10, so I'm almost there because I want to give you an update if I've actually cashed out, yeah? But then Dean Tolentino, the guy who has sent me his pay, has sent me his payout already. He has received his payout. It went to his balance already. So yeah. He gave me a screenshot, so I'm going to look for it on my email. Yeah. And then I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, I hope I haven't deleted it yet. So yeah, so aside from this, hold on, let me exit on this game. Okay, I'm gonna try playing that so I can reach $10 finally and update you guys if I have received the pay. Aside from that, I'm playing other games like Big Time. So guys, this is okay, so I haven't really cashed out yet on this game, but I am this is the game that I'm currently playing right now. So once I have cashed out, then I will introduce this game to you guys, so to know if it's legit or not. Yeah, so pretty much that's what I've been doing, aside from the usual, taking care of my kid and doing family stuff. Yeah, so I hope you guys are still okay. I don't know if you're in quarantine, but we're going crazy over here. We're so very bored. So I have to cut this short already. I just wanted to give you an update of what I've been up to. And again, I want to thank you for watching, because I can see that my subscriber, although very slowly, are increasing, and I appreciate it, guys. I really, really appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching my channel. And if you like more videos, oh, I think I keep repeating myself, but yeah, I have a playlist. Doesn't have a niche, blah 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 blah. I don't have a script, so I'm always babbling. So again, I have to cut this short already. Bye bye. See you next week. Hopefully I can cash out already.